If your HP OfficeJet 200 or 250 mobile printer stops printing and a carriage jam error message displays, follow these steps to fix the jam and clear the error message. Remove any paper or debris from the printer's paper path. On the printer control panel, press OK to attempt to clear the jam automatically. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Remove all loose and jammed paper from the input tray. Shine a flashlight in the input tray area and remove any paper you find. If necessary, close the scanner input tray. Check the output slot with a flashlight, removing any jammed paper found. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. From the rear, disconnect the power cord and any other attached cables. You must power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Push in on the tab and then remove the battery cover. Push up on the silver tab to release the battery and then set it aside. From the front, shine a flashlight in the ink cartridge access area and remove any jammed paper or bits of paper found. Push the carriage to one side and then to the other side, removing any paper found. Close the ink cartridge access door. From the rear, slide the right side of the battery into the printer and push forward to snap it into place. Slide the tab on the battery cover into the groove on the right side, then push forward to snap it into place. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord and any previously connected cables. From the front, power on the printer. Load paper and try to print your document. If there is still a carriage jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. Improper placement or installation of ink cartridges can cause a carriage jam. Remove and reinsert the ink cartridges to clear any jams. Open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. If the carriage is not in the ink access area, move it to that position. Make sure the cartridges are in the correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. To remove an ink cartridge, lift the ink cartridge latch. Holding the cartridge by its sides, remove it from the printer. Repeat this step to remove the other cartridge. Check the ink cartridge area with a flashlight for obstructions. Set the cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left, black on the right. Push the cartridge forward to position it correctly. Secure the cartridge by squeezing the ink cartridge latch. Repeat this step to insert the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. Try to print your document again. If there is still a carriage jam error on the printer, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.